Melt the stress away and excite your senses with the Aquascape Fire and Water Stacked Slate Sphere. This innovative fire and water feature boasts an impressive 60,000 BTU flame in the center of the fountain, which illuminates the night as the water gracefully cascades over the stacked slate texture. Manufactured from a durable, lightweight fiber resin composite, the stacked slate sphere has the appearance and characteristics of real stone at a fraction of the weight. This complete, easy-to-set-up fire system can be used with propane or natural gas and includes a state-of-the-art stainless steel burner system designed to provide the perfect flame every time. An integrated burner ignition system makes it simple to start the fire at a push of the button, and an internal auto-off sensor ensures safe operation. The Fire and Water Stacked Slate Sphere can be installed as a recirculating water feature using an Aquascape AquaBasin 45 or incorporated into a new or existing pond or pondless waterfall. Each system includes the Fire and Water Stacked Slate Sphere, water and gas tubing, a propane tank regulator, natural gas orifice, and an auto-ignite flame control system for easy startup and flame control. If you love the sound of water in your garden and enjoy the flicker of fire to warm your nights, a decorative fire and water feature is the perfect way to experience living the Aquascape lifestyle. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We connect people to water the way nature intended, and have been creating and field testing water features for over 25 years to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.